let's echo the current directory, and we are in the C drive. So if you will apply a for loop here with /d parameter and a variable in, like let's say p star, and do echo the value of a, you will see all the folders having the starting from the name character p will appear on the console. So all these values, like if you will manipulate the dir command /b and p star, you will get the same output. So that is why you are getting the same output. So that is why these switches are not that much used, but you can see that you can apply the same command. We have applied the echo command on all these folders. You can delete all these folders having the starting from the name p, just writing this command, and right here delete rd instead of echo. Hey, hello YouTube, I'm Karan from Bharat, and this video is the third part of the series Batch Programming Basics, and this is the second part of the third part regarding the for loop in the batch. So in the first part, where we have learned about the basic of the for loop, in this part we are going to talk about the special switches, and maybe in the next part we are going to talk about the special parameters or the switches associated with that for loop. So let me open CMD and let's get to work. Just trying to make the console screen bigger so that you can see easily, and let me clear the screen. And as we have known, this for loop is used for looping through various things, like a set of commands or set of numbers or set of digits, characters or files, anything. You just need to provide a set to the for loop and it will repeat the given number of commands for that set. So the for loop has 4 parameters like /f, I pressed enter, /f, /l and /d, /r. So out of which I have till now I have used /l and /f the most. /d and /r are not widely used. I have not used them much, but you must know about them. So let's take a help and see what Windows will tell about these parameters. So the first one is /t. So if set contains wildcard, then specified to match against directory name listed in the file names. So /t commands applies the command in the current directory or the directory given, so that on all the given commands, the given directory set, the related set will get all the command executed. So I'm making this complex. Let me open another CMD console and show it to you with a simple example. So again, clear the console. Let me go to the C drive.
Echo the current directory, and we are in the C drive. So if you will apply a for loop here with /d parameter and a variable in, like let's say p star, and do echo the value of a, you will see all the folders having the starting from the name character p will appear on the console. So all these values, like if you will manipulate the dir command /b and p star, you will get the same output. So that is why you are getting the same output. So that is why these switches are not that much used, but you can see that you can apply the same command. We have applied the echo command on all these folders. You can delete all these folders having starting from the name p, just writing this command, and right here delete rd instead of echo.
So that is how the /t parameter works. And in the /r parameter, so the next one is /r. It is also the same thing, but it also applies the command in the subdirectories also, I think. If set contains wildcard, then specify to match against directory names listed in the file names. So walks the directory tree. So what the d /d command is doing, it is roaming only on the upper level of the folders, so it is not going inside those folders in the C directory. But what slash r will do is it will go inside the folders. So let me just simply replace slash t with slash r. Let me first enable the insert mode, and as you can see now, all the folders inside these folders with starting with the name p is appearing on the console. So you can do the same thing using the slash b and slash s parameter with the dir command. So let's not go into that. So that is why I have not used slash t and slash r that much in my life till from the time I'm doing batch. And the next two switches slash l and slash f are the most usable, and they have most values. If you know these two switches thoroughly, you will just directly jump into the advanced section, advanced programming in the batch. So let me give a demo. So we are currently in the C drive, so let me show that in the title in which directory we are. So we are in the C drive, so you can see it here. You have not noticed that. So for the slash l, let's write 4 slash l. L is used for numbers, so you can increment or decrement numbers. Percentage a in, you have to provide a set. Let's start the number from 1, and with the step of, let's say, 2, go up to 20. So the loop will continue up to 10 times, I think, because it is starting from 1 and taking a jump of 2. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 2 is 5. So the loop will execute 10 times up until the value of a becomes 20. So we are doing echo, we are just simply printing all these things. So you can see 1 3 5 7, and if you will count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, the loop has gone 10 times. And you can make the loop go up to 100 times. Let me turn the insert mode. 1 comma 100, so the loop will go up to 100 times and it will print 100 on the CMD console. So that is what slash l parameter will do. The slash l parameter will apply arithmetic operations like the for loop in the C, where you have written, like where you will write this syntax less than 100 I plus plus, and then the command, so CMD will give error, I know, but the same syntax is in the CMD is like this: 0 comma 1 comma trit do echo percentage, and it will print 200. It will repeat the loop 100 times, so you can change the number of loop repetition according to you. So the tutorial is going long, so let me give the last parameter slash f to you. So just slash f is an advanced parameter, so you can apply it on commands slash f and percentage a in. Let's see if you want to apply a command. So here you will see that in the f, if you will, there are three parameters, three kinds of things, and there are three ways where how that you can provide set. Either you can simply write a file name without any surrounding quotes, or if you will use surrounding quotes, you will the for loop will assume it as a string, and if you will write a single quote, it will assume the thing inside those single quotes as a command. So what we're going to do is we're going to first provide a file set in the C drive. Let's see if a file is there. Okay, I have opened the F drive. There is a C drive. There is a file. There is ifr2log.txt file. So we're going to provide that file ifr, and then do echo percentage a. So what the for loop is going to do is for loop is going to get into that file one by one and reading and printing all the lines one by one, because we have used echo, because the percentage a variable will have all the values inside the file one by one. So now let us go into that F drive where we have the kvc.txt file. So we'll do that the same thing but for the different file. Let me turn the insert mode and kvc, and you will see that it has written 1 2 3 4 lines, but wmic and the first characters, if you will type the file kvc.txt here, you will see it has 4 lines of code in the text file, but the for loop is only reading for the first characters. So this is the problem with flash f switch. You need to provide a special characters for special things for reading that. For this session, just keep that in mind, that you need to write tokens is equal to star for reading all the lines like the type command. But in the next session I will explain what this means and how you will manipulate all things using that. And if you will provide a name, a single string without surrounding it by anything, the for loop will think it as a file. And if you will surround it by double quotes like kvc 123, and it will treat the thing as a string. So, and if you want to provide a command, just write a single quote then dir/b, and it will print all the folder names inside that f directory. So we have not changed the title, so currently we are in the f directory. So in the if in the f drive we are having this much folders. So the dir command is getting executed on all the results of dir command. The echo command is getting executed one by one. So you can delete all the folders one by one using dir command, using this for loop and dir commands combination. Or you can copy those to your pen drive and whatever you can do that. And that is all for now, and I'm closing this session for here, that video is going long. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and share this video with your friends on the social networking platform and help us grow. Any suggestions will be highly appreciated in the comment section below. You will find the related links in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.